This is going to be the first cold start in 2 months. Well, roughly-ish. And as you can see, I have a wood grain dashboard now, courtesy of local junkyards in Platteville. But it's about time I get this thing back on the road. Alrighty guys, I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving. So you can tell I'm back home, and I need to get the SS14 out because I've been summoned by a good friend to go over and help with leaf cleanup. I'm pretty much done for the year out here because there's still leaves to fall and there's not a whole lot down in the ground, but his yard is basically like this, where it's just solid leaves. So I just pushed the green tractor out. Didn't even really feel like trying to start it, but this one I checked to see if the battery is still good, and it is. I just turned the gas on probably about 5 minutes ago just to let it start trickling in. And so we're going to see what this thing does. Usually this thing starts pretty good, but we'll see. Give it a couple seconds for the gas to keep flowing in because it's just a pulse pump and it's cold. Definitely being cold-blooded. I did check to see if there's gas in it. It looked like there was something. Could be my luck, there might not be enough. Give it a choke again. I guess I'm out of gas. That explains why it was hard to start. Well, there you guys go. It runs. Made it from the shed out to here. So I'm going to put gas in it, get it loaded up, and get ready to head out. So, hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys later.